Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today is the last week of my Purple Haze Month, and I'm going to be using my purple washies again, the ones that I picked up from Joann's. Might not be using all of those, just going to pick out some. I'm going to be using this book called Colorful Boxes. I'm going to be using a page, which is this one. I've used this before in the earlier this month. I've used these, so I'm just going to go ahead and polish these few off, and those are from like Rainbow, something like that. And this is going to be my focal point for this spread. This is a Dollar Tree wall sticker, and these are some mermaids, and I picked her up because she had some purples in there. Alright, so let's get it started. I'm going to put down my mermaids first, and I'm thinking I'm going to put her down over here and this one on this other side. So let me get these peeled off. Oh, and my paper is wrinkled because I was doing something and I almost destroyed it, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna use it as is, and wrinkles and all, so it's gonna be all good. So I'm gonna put her right here. Try to put her kind of close to the bottom. There we go. And you know what, I should have put down the washi tape first, but you know, she's big enough, I could just probably chop it off right there. But what I will do is, before I do anything else, I will put down some washi. So I like sparkly, so we're gonna put some sparklies in the middle, and we'll put some other ones on the other side. You finna leave?
What are you building?
I'm doing my planner. You finna leave? Finna go out the room?
Your planner?
Yeah. So, alright, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Shut the door. Don't let nobody else come in, okay?
Okay.
Alright, that was my grandson. So, let's see. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use these dark ones because I don't want to have to use the correction tape to remove anything. So I'm going to put this one down in the middle on these two middle lines, and then we'll pick another one to go in the other spaces. So let's see. And of course you guys know that I'm still having a hard time trying to do this, but I do not want to hold you guys. I'm not going to hold you hostage while I try to figure this out. So what I will do is, once I get the washi tape down, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I got this big rumple right here, but that's okay. I'm going to take care of that in just a second. She had these fish behind her over here, so I'm going to put, and a star. So let me put a little star. They're not going to be in the exact same place, but I'm going to try to get them in here so she can have a little fish behind her. Hope those ain't together. Oh, they're not good. There we go. And I wished I had a spot for this thing. I'll find some place to put it. And so on this side over here that's rumpled, I'm going to put her. So let's see if we can get her off of here. And figure out how we're going to get her stuck on here. She's just going to be taking up Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which I don't mind. There we go. We'll put her down. There she is. She's taking up a lot of space, but that's all good. That's okay. That's okay. She's got some stars with her as well. We're gonna put some stars with her. And she got a couple purple seashells. Well, one purple seashell and a purple star. There we go. We just put it just like that. And I want to put this somewheres. Maybe like down in the corner. Let's see. Like maybe right up in here somewhere. Or should I put it off the page like this? Okay, we're gonna try it like that, and let me cut this piece off. See, there's a place I can put it. How about that? That little piece right there. Maybe we can get this little piece right here on the side. I just put it on the side just because. There we go. Just like it kind of carries over a little bit, I guess. Okay. So that is the bulk of the spread. Let's just get a few of these little things down, and we're gonna call it a night. Let's see. Are these gonna cover up the? I bet you they're gonna cover up the washi, which is what I really don't want. But I'm not gonna be mad at it if it does. But you know what? It kind of, to me, it kind of throws off the whole spread. So let's just not do that. Let me put this back on here. Now I will throw some gold in this. Okay, see, now you want to act ugly. I was trying to be nice, and it wants to be all that way. Did it tear? It better not tear my paper. Okay, here we go. I think it did try to tear it a little bit. Okay. So let me finish this. Let me put this back. So like I said, this purple, it's purple, but it just seems to throw off this whole thing right here. So let's see. I'll just put like this thing somewhere, but I just hate that it's gonna cover up my washi. I might just cut it off. Let's see. Of course I don't see my cutter. Hold on. Okay, I found my big cutter, and I hope I didn't cut this too short. Doesn't have to be perfect though. I just didn't want it to cover the washi, that's all. And this, oh my God. One day, guys, one day. I don't know when that one day is, but I am going to put these things down straight. And it's still crooked. Good night. Okay, that's about as, maybe I cut it crooked. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one right there. And we're gonna put down Make Today Great. And I'm just gonna put it right here in the center. And then on this side, we do have a lot going on. So actually, don't really need to do anything to that side because it's got enough stuff over there. The whole section is really taken up. So let's just take one sticker and just put it here just to tie the whole thing together. I'm not gonna even put down unless I can find them right away. Let's see. I have some, the regular little black and white boxes that I like to use. There they are. I think I have 3 of these left. I need to print more. Yeah, I have 3. So let's just put down just a few. Nothing major, like I said. Is that straight? I don't know. I can't tell. And I just put this extra one right over here. Okay. Alright, now I wish I had something to go right there. Is there a seashell big enough to fit? Nope. I don't think so anyway. I don't think this seashell is big enough. Let me see, where is my correction? Let's glue. I'll use this. I see this. So I'm just gonna get rid of that this week up there. I'm gonna put this seashell up there. I can't find my tape runner.
Is that art?
Hold on for me just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up before we get another interruption. I'm gonna put this seashell up here after I have put the correction fluid over that statement that was up there. And I'm just going to use one of these gold boxes, just one, to have some gold on both pages. Let's see. I just want a small, well, I'll take one of these boxes and just find somewhere to put it, just so it'll have some gold accents on this page. Let's just put it right here. This will work. You know, one thing I do wish I could find are those other things, the little asterisks and things of that nature. Let me look in here real quick and see if I can find the book with those in it. See, this is rainbow. Let's see, does rainbow have what I'm looking for? I just want like the little asterisks or some hearts or something to go inside of those things. That's all I really want. Okay, that ain't in there. Okay, I found this memory keeping one, and see, like these little stars, that's all I was looking for. And I was just gonna put a star, a purple and gold star, like right up in here, just as decor. That one in the box. Should have taken that star off. that one right there. Okay. Now I promise you that is it this time. Alright. So let me see, where is my planner? Here it is. And let's get this in here. And I put the tape on these. I'm gonna show you in just a second on the side because I'm having problems with that one staying, and it's probably because I've been messing with it forever, and I've been messing with it and just kind of jacked it up. Okay. So here we go. So that's why I put this tape right here to kind of reinforce these holes. So let's see, can you guys see that? Let me get it all in here. I think that's it. Let me check, make sure you guys can see. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go, just a little bit. Nothing major. Let me push it up. Okay guys, this is it. This is the last week of June. You know, I didn't even put the dates up here, so I'll go back and put those in later. But this is my final spread for Purple Haze Month, June. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.